Alright, miss. Here's your pickle waffles.
Ah, thanks. You can just set those over there by that rock.
Okay, then. What do you need pickle waffles anyways?
Oh, well, they're the new special for my stand. Chicken Waffle Tacos.
What on earth is a chicken waffle taco?
It's pretty much fried chicken in a waffle shaped like a taco.
What on earth are you doing?
Trying to sell us waffles, you bigot.
It's a Chicken Waffle Taco stand!
I told you to set up a lemonade stand.
Who cares for your lemonades anyway? Chicken Waffle Tacos are so creative. And they're unique, okay? I'm trying to be edgy and different.
What?
Okay, you go home. You go dispose of those things.
What do
What?
I do?
Yeah. Go dispose of them now.
But they're so good!
They're abominations.
Oh yeah? Well, they're so freaking good. They're practically a delicacy.
Okay, then try one.
Okay, fine. Okay, let me try my Chicken Waffle Tacos. Mmm. God, that's repulsive.
What?
Oh man, that was so good. That was scrumdiddlyicious. Can I interest you boys in a Chicken Waffle Taco?
Yeah, we'll take 27 of them.
No one's buying anything. You're gonna dispose of them. Right now.
We left them.
No.
Okay, you know what? I give up.